Today I'm going to show you a very simple trick. That is how can you set up so you can log into your remote server without entering your password. So let's get started. So first I'm going to log into my server using the passwords as usual. So ssh, this is the user. This is a local machine, virtual machine. So you see that, and here I am inside the server. So what if you want to log into this server without entering the password? So the first thing you need to do is to create an ID on your local server. So here I'm using Ubuntu here, so I'm going to do ls ssh, and if you don't see, if you don't have this folder, or if you don't have these things, then simply type ssh-keygen and hit enter, and you see it will walk you through the steps of generating the files like id-rsa here and this one, but I already have that, so I will not continue with this. But if you don't have these files already, simply press enter until it's done. So the next step would be copying your ID public key to the remote server. So here I cut ssh ID like that. So this is my key. This is my key. This is the thing I'm going to copy and paste into the remote server. Now back to the remote server. If you ls ssh, and if you don't have these things, simply do a ssh-keygen again and enter until it's done. And on this server we're going to create a file that will contain the key here, so the next time we log in we don't need to provide a password. So I'm going to use vim ssh and authorize keys like that, and I'm changing to insert mode by pressing I on the keyboard, and now I copy this one, copy, okay, and paste that using shift insert on my keyboard, and I save that. Now I quit the server. Now let's try logging into the remote server and see if it still asks me for the password. So this is the command to log into the remote server. I hit enter, and you see there is no need to enter the password again. So that is how you can quickly create setup, log into your remote server without entering the password. So hopefully the video is helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.